welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do two marble type designs using alcohol inks. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, kitties, so I'm going to go in with a base coat of D&D gel polish in the color Black Licorice. It's just a black gel polish. We're going to paint that on. We're going to cure that for 60 seconds in our UV LED lamp. And that's the base for that first watercolor design we saw that is like rainbow-ish. And guys, of course, in this video, I will be using Kitty Claus's alcohol inks. That's right. If anybody has visited my website, they will know that right now my website is down due to everything that's happening and that's going on. I'm gonna keep my website down for now because it's kind of getting difficult to go back and forth to the post office. But once things are better, I will have my site back up. And yeah, guys, you can continue ordering. Anyway, back to the video. So now after it's cured, I only did one coat of the black. I go in with my D&D, it's like a white gel polish. You can use any white gel polish. And I am marbling that. The brush I use, I call it my marbling brush because it's just a little raggy. And you need to me, I rather use that than one of my newer brushes because they're gonna end up looking like that. And then in that little shot glass, which is my makeshift dabbing dish, that is acetone. And I'm just dabbing it and dabbing the gel polish until I get like this marble smoke white look that I like. You do it to whatever you like. And then I cure it because it is gel polish. And then these are some of my alcohol inks that are, like I said, on my website, but my website is down for right now. I will let you guys know when I launch my website again. And I'm going in with like the blue, 68 is a pink, 69 is this deep blue. And then I go in with like a teal green, but then I decided I want a green. So then you'll see me switch it later on. And you kind of just put it on over the whole nail because it will just bleed into each other. As you can see, look, I did the teal and I didn't really like the teal. It was too light compared to the pink and the blue. So I needed something a little bit more darker or prominent or louder, I guess, just to have it be cohesive because you're going to bleed everything into each other. And what I mean by that is you see me now taking my marbling brush and just dapping the colors so that they kind of just flow into each other. That's basically all you're doing. And yes, sometimes you put too much of the acetone and it bleeds too much, or it just completely gets rid of the color. Just go back in and add more color and then keep going until you are completely satisfied with your marbleization. Pretty much. It's very simple, but it's a very cool design. It's very pretty. I love marbling personally. So yeah, that's my jam. Anyway, this is how it came out. So as you can see, the pink and the blue made, of course, their purple, and like the blue and the green, they kind of made their own like little tealish color, sea foam green color in the middle. So that's basically what you're going for. You just want them to make their own gradations, and within each other. So the second marbling I'm using, I can't pronounce the name of it, but it's a Universal Builder gel in a bottle. I think it's Canadian brand. I'm probably wrong. Yes, but I will leave the link in the description box below for that. Builder gel. It's like a milky white builder gel. It's one of the builder gels that I got from when I was doing the Ready Guana nail subscription box. I actually like Builder in a bottle, and the next video, just a little tidbit for you guys. My next video, I'm going to be using Builder gel from My Elegance. Oh my goodness, it was an epic fail. But I'm still going to show you the video because the end result did come out really pretty. So yeah, I am all for learning new techniques and just everything in the nail world. So my introduction to like gel was Builder in a bottle stuff, and I did use like Yogi and all that, and then this brand, which I can't pronounce, but I will leave the link for below. So you kind of have to learn how to put it on. You see how I did that back and forth motion? It was easy to do it with it coming out of the bottle. But yeah, I think I'm crossing over to be to like both acrylic and gel. Anyway, so here I'm just putting on a matte top coat or a matte coat to the white. These nails I did end up leaving them in matte. I thought they were really pretty in matte. They of course will look really pretty with gel top coat, but I just wanted a matte for them. So I'm just putting that matte on and I'm curing that. Then you're going to see me go in and do the same thing I did before with the black nail. I'm doing it with the white, and I'm just doing it till I like it, pretty much. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much loving how it came out. It's giving me like this earthy vibe, like Earth as seen from space kind of vibe. And you kind of just let that dry because it's alcohol ink. For that other nail, just let the ink set and dry. For this one, it's all cured and dried. So now I'm just going in with my gel top coat just to seal in all my colors. And I'm gonna cure that in my UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I go back to the earth nail, I want to call it, and I'm using my Makartt nail foil gel, and I'm going to be putting on this foil that's like it's like an oil spill, I think is what they call it. It's like an oil spill effect foil on top, which I think it just added a little something extra to this marbling, and it gave it a little bit more depth. That's the key to me, for me in marbling. Add different things to it just to give the marbling a more depth and just, you know, it just brings it out really well. As you can see, that's the oil spill design I was talking about. And yeah, just wait and see the end result, guys. Okay, Kitty, so now I'm just adding my matte top gel to it. I think you could call it gel top coat, whatever, it's not a gel. Anyway, I'm mattifying the nails with, and this is the end result. And I think they came out so pretty. I really love them in matte. Like I said, you could put a gel top coat, but I preferred the matte. And I hope you guys were able to learn something, take something away from this. I love sharing with you guys, and I love when you guys DM me and have recreated a design I did. It feels really good, and it keeps me going because I love sharing knowledge and helping in any way possible. So keep doing that, guys. I love you, kitties. You guys are the best. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone, and stay tuned for the next video because that is my builder gel set. Oh, pray for me.